Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I will show you how to make a very simple sandal for baby boy and a baby girl. This is my shoe sole which I showed you in previous videos many times. So I will make upper part of the shoe sandal. So this line is the middle of my shoe sole. This is the middle. So I will count 11 from this side and 11 from this side. So let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the stitch where I will start my work. Insert hook and make 3 chain, 1 2 3, and in the next chain make double crochet. Again in the next make double crochet, and again in the next make double crochet. So I have 4 double crochet. Now I will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19. So the next opposite side I will count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11. So 1 2 3 4, this one is the fourth one. So I will make double crochet here, like this. Now in the next 4 double crochet, 2 3, and this is my fourth one. Now chain 1 2 and turn your work. Again make 1 2 3 and 4, and make 1 double crochet in each stitch till to the next end, like this. Now I reached to my this side. So this is the back hold of the baby foot. Now I will make 4 double crochet again in the next stitches. Now I will make a strap for the baby shoe. This is the strap. I will chain 25. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. Now skip 1 2 3 4 and make double crochet in all stitches till to the end. This is the buttonhole. Now I finished my strap over here. So I will make a slip stitch in the first double crochet and cut the yarn. It will be like this. Now I chain 13 and make a single half double crochet to all of it till to the end of the line. Like this till to the end of the line. Now I am using this color, different color. So make a slip stitch and chain 1 and single crochet in all stitches till to the end. For both sides, make it both sides single crochet from this side and single crochet from this side. Now it will look like this. So stitch it to the front part of the shoe. Now my sandal is ready. It will look like this. See, and all back side. This is the front side with 2 colors. So I hope you will like it. See you in next with new pattern, inshallah, in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.